Hey everyone, want to create a stunning retro style posters in seconds? Today I'll show you how to make a vintage inspired design using Ideograms AI. Perfect for that old school look with a modern AI twist. Let's get started. First, head over to Ideogram AI and log into your account. And here you'll see a big prompt box in the center. Then write your prompt. You need to describe your design idea clearly. Be specific about the retro theme, mention the colors, style, and details, like this example prompt here. A retro 1980s synthwave poster, neon pink and blue lights with palm trees and sunset background. Then here you can also scroll down and choose your aspect ratio. For posters, you can use 2 is to 3 or 3 is to 4 and it works great. You can also set the color style to match your theme. And once happy, click generate and wait for a few seconds and Ideogram AI will create your retro style posters, usually giving you a multiple variations to choose from. And click on your favorite result, then hit download to save it. Now you have a perfect retro AI poster ready to print or share. And that's how easy it is to make a retro style posters with Ideogram AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.